thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. This is a very quick one, okay? I'm going to make a lightening face cream, okay? So I decided to show you the process, how I formulate it, okay? Over here I have 60% of my base cream. Okay, I have a video on how you can make this base cream. I always find it very comfortable and easy to formulate any kind of cream of my choice anytime I have a base cream available. Okay, so I always make a lot of base cream and store it. So anytime I want to formulate any type of cream or lotion, I have my base cream ready. Okay, so one of these days I will show you how to formulate straight from the scratch. Okay, so this one I have my base cream ready. This is organic base cream. There's nothing in it. It's only water and butters and oils. Okay, so this is my, let me take this one off. I'm done using the scale. I've measured everything out. Okay, so this is my base cream in 60%. Okay, then the powders, I have MSM powder, 6% of it, Sepia white powder 2%, allantoin powder 1%, and alpha arbutin 2%, then niacinamide powder, which is vitamin B3. I have it in 5%. Okay, that's it for the powders. And to the oils, I have argan oil in 5%, vitamin E oil 1%, lavender essential oil in 2%, grapeseed oil in 5%, and my glycerin in 1%. Okay, and here is my extract. I have 5% of licorice extract and 5% of chamomilla extract. Okay, so that's it for my ingredients. So now let's start mixing. I've already double boiled my base cream to heat it up for just 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to add the oils to the base cream. I always have base cream available, and this makes the job very, very fast and easy for me. Okay, whenever you have a base cream, if you are a skincare formulator, having a base cream available is very, very helpful. All these oils are very good and organic. Okay, this is organic lightening face cream. I've made a video on the body lotion, lightening body lotion. If you missed that video, feel free to check it out. Okay, it will be in the description area. Okay, so I'm done adding all the oils. They are very good and beneficial to the skin. I'm done with the oils. Okay, so now I'm going to add the powders, starting with my MSM. This helps in the healing of scars and blemishes, also soothes sunburn and eczema, and maintains youthful and healthy skin. The next powder is Sepia white. This is a molecule that has been scientifically proven to have a dramatic lightening effect on skin pigmentation. This powder treats acne scars, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Then allantoin powder. This is a moisturizing agent that moisturizes the skin to prevent dryness and irritation. It's also an exfoliant that helps in shedding dead skin cells. Next is the alpha arbutin. This powder limits the melanin production in the skin. It helps in skin lightening, promotes an even skin tone, and safer than hydroquinone in skincare products. Then I will add the niacinamide powder, which is the vitamin B3. This is an active ingredient that has multiple benefits for skin. It repairs damaged DNA and also prevents premature sign of aging. I'm left with two ingredients, which is the licorice extract and chamomilla extract. But before adding that, I will whip this mixture very well to incorporate very well. I'm going to whip it out, okay? Here is it. You can see how creamy it looks. This is my lightening face cream, organic, okay? This is organic lightening face cream. No harsh chemicals, no harsh ingredients added, okay? So it's time to add the extract, the licorice extract and the chamomilla extract, okay? Gently mix it with a spoon, then I'll later whisk it with a hand mixer. I'm going to mix this up, this up, sorry. Lightening face cream is ready, made with organic ingredients. All these powders are plant-based derived extracts, okay? There's no harm chemical there. You can feel free to Google it to see the benefits of all these ingredients. I'll put the ingredients in the description area. Feel free to check it out in case you want to make one for yourself. And if your tight schedule won't allow you to make it, or you can't do it for yourself, feel free to contact me. I sell organic skincare products, okay? If you are in Europe, check out my contact details in the description area. I'm always at your service, okay? This is my creamy lightening face cream. This will lighten you up naturally, no side effect. It will hide your black spots, blemishes, pigmentation. This will repair your skin naturally, okay? So now I'm going to check the pH level of this, okay? I'm looking for 6 pH, yeah, because of the niacinamide in it. Here is my pH tester, okay? So let's see. Okay, if you have the digital tester, feel free to use it. Okay, as you can see, this is number 6. I place it here to check. This is fine, okay? This is 6. The pH level is 6 and it's very perfect and safe to the skin, okay? Yeah, my face cream is ready, okay? This is how it looks like. There's no need for me to add preservative again because I did not add water to this. The texture is okay for me, okay? And my base cream has preservative in it before, okay? So this is safe to use and the shelf life is very long, okay? So no need to add more preservative, okay? Anything that makes you to add water to your cream or lotion, then you have to add preservative to that, okay? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Remember to give it a thumbs up, okay? And feel free to share it out. Share it out. It may help someone out there. And also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across this channel, okay? Till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye.